In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove numbers from text in Google Sheets. This simple yet effective skill can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with numerous data entries that require cleaning. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet where your data resides. If you're not familiar with this part, just go to your Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, you'll see a grid of cells. These cells are where your data lives and where we'll be working. Next, navigate to cell B2. This is where you'll type in the formula that will magically remove all numbers from your text. It's crucial that you're in the correct cell because this formula will replace any content already existing in B2. Ensure that the cell you're working with corresponds with the row you're applying changes to. This step is particularly important for applying these changes effectively. Once you're in cell B2, it's time to type in the formula. Carefully enter regex replace A2 plus D psi. What this formula does is, it uses regular expressions to find every instance of a digit within your text in cell A2, and then it replaces each one with a blank, effectively removing it. The term plus D is a regex pattern that matches any digit, and when it's combined with, it signifies that the found digit will be replaced with nothing. After typing in the formula, press the Enter key. This simple action will execute the formula you just typed. As soon as you hit Enter, you'll notice the numbers in your text from cell A2 disappearing, leaving behind only the text. It's like a mini magic trick right there in your spreadsheet. Now let's make this process even more efficient. For those times when you have an entire column of text with numbers, you'll want to use autofill. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell B2 until you see a small square, often referred to as the fill handle. Click and drag this handle down through the cells you want the formula applied to. As you drag the handle down, you'll see the formula being applied to each cell, effortlessly cleaning up your data at scale. That's all there is to it. You now have a clean dataset free of unwanted numbers, ready for further analysis or presentation. Take a moment to ensure all data looks correct without unintentional deletions, especially in large datasets. Removing numbers from text can streamline your workflow and improve the clarity of your sheets significantly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more time-saving Google Sheets tips.